Hello creative people. Welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to do the review of this watercolor. This is the Dededepraise brand's watercolor. I bought 2 boxes. I'm going to talk about one at a time. But it says on the back that it's non-toxic. It's a watercolor made with glitter. It comes with the colors that are inside the box, and it's for children over 3 years old, and it's made in China. The box opens like a little drawer. They are very pretty colors at first glance. It is an acrylic box and also opens like a little drawer. Nowadays the pans come inside a niche but are still loose. If you turn it over it falls off. It's completely loose, a tablet. At least these colored ones are very dry. We'll start here with the metallic colors. Look how it releases from the palette. It spread very well, both in the metallic, it released the colors a lot, and in the metallic colored one. It also released the colors. You can see it shine, it's quite glittery, it's spread, they're slightly opaque, which is what you'd expect from a metallic watercolor, because it's normally going to cover another watercolor. Texture. In the colored ones it's smooth, in the metallic ones you can feel the glitter well. The colored ones don't come off on your hand. So I liked it, I recommend it. It's not expensive, it's a cheap watercolor. I bought it at the mall. From the palettes, it was very easy to remove the beautiful pigment the way it made the transparency. I think it looks very beautiful work done with it. I thought it was very pretty. That was today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and comment, it helps the channel a lot. And thank you for watching the video until the end. See you later.
Enjoy! They are still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.